Picture this. You're browsing online. Your cursor is hovering right over that ever so tempting buy now button. But let me ask you a question. What really happens in the hidden corridors of your brain at that very moment? Welcome to a journey into the neuroscience of shopping. I want you to imagine each price tag you see, each deal you consider. It's not just a number. Nope. It's a trigger. It's sending a ripple of reaction throughout your entire brain. Yes, my listeners, every time you're about to make a purchase, your brain is performing this delicate dance, this tango of emotions where pleasure and pain are the lead partners. But hold on before you go anywhere. What if I told you that this dance is not just about the joy of acquiring something new or the satisfaction of getting a good deal? What if I revealed that it actually is a battle? Yeah, a silent struggle between excitement and that little sting, that little ouch that your neurons feel with every price tag. Yeah, this is not just about spending money, though. It's a fascinating story of how our brains process the very concept of value and the concept of cost. A story that might change the way you think about every purchase that you make. So, stay with me. We're going to dive deep into a groundbreaking discovery from the corridors of Stanford University. Yep, a revelation that's turning the tables for marketers and buyers alike.